Did you know that you can sublimate masks even with air filter? Yes, these comfortable face masks are made with breathable, washable materials with air filter. This small format sublimation is fully integrated desktop inkjet printer designed especially for sublimation. It has built-in self-cleaning routine that keeps the printer ready for printing always and minimal ink and power consumption. Remove the air filter before attaching your design. Place any kind of paper inside the mask for protection. Just press it with ELI 600. You can press multiple masks at a time to maximize the plate of the heat press and to increase the production. Want something to match your fashion style? From floral, camo to plaid, go for a design to show your personal statement. To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.